We made a lively start in the early stages and nearly took the lead 6 minutes in when Heung-Min Son's cutback from a corner found Dragusin. However, his quick shot was saved by Alisson. Shortly after, there was a worrying moment as Bentancur went down unchallenged in the box, prompting immediate concern. Following a lengthy delay, the midfielder was stretchered off to applause from the crowd and replaced by Johnson. Once play resumed, the game had a good tempo, and we maintained our sharpness. Solanke came close, narrowly missing at the near post from Son's cross, while Salah fired just wide at the other end. In the 33rd minute, Tsimikas delivered a free kick to an unmarked Mac Allister. But his header was directed straight at goalkeeper Kinský, who made his first save for us. Kinský was called upon again in stoppage time, diving low to deny Gakpo's 25-yard strike before Gakpo curled another effort over the bar. Liverpool ended the half stronger, but it remained goalless at the break. The second half began with energy from both teams. We had a golden opportunity to score in the 56th minute when Bergvall's relentless pressing dispossessed Alisson. Porro's initial attempt at the open goal was blocked by Van Dijk. Bergvall regained possession and set up Porro again, but this time, his chip over Alisson drifted wide. This sequence sparked an intense period in the game. Kinský showed great reflexes to stop Salah's lofted cross and made crucial saves to deny Nunez twice, including a sharp one-on-one after a Salah's through ball. Liverpool increased the pressure and nearly scored when Alexander-Arnold's powerful shot was brilliantly cleared off the line by Dragusin. We thought we had taken the lead in the 77th minute when Solanke latched onto Porro's pass, slipped behind the Liverpool defense, and finished past Alisson. However, VAR ruled the goal offside. Notably, referee made history by announcing the decision over the stadium tannoy, marking a first in English football. We didn't let the earlier disappointment phase us and finally found the breakthrough with just 4 minutes of regulation time remaining. Solanke did brilliantly to chase down a long ball, fend off Konate, and turn inside before unselfishly laying the ball off to Bergvall. The Swedish midfielder calmly slotted it into the bottom corner from 12 yards, sealing a crucial lead. Liverpool threw everything at us in the dying minutes, but a stunning one-handed save from debutant Kinský denied Nunez, tipping his effort from a Diaz cross past the post. Despite the late pressure, we held firm, secured the clean sheet, and set the stage for an exciting return leg at Anfield. Bergvall chose the perfect occasion to score his first goal for us, netting the late winner in our Carabao Cup semi-final first leg against Liverpool. His decisive strike, in what was his 21st appearance for the club, capped a hard-fought victory over a team that had defeated us 6-3 in the Premier League only weeks ago. While Bergvall was the match winner, Kinský stole the show at the other end. The Czech goalkeeper, signed just days earlier, delivered an outstanding debut performance, showcasing exceptional skill both with his hands and his feet. South Korean teenager Yang Min-Hyeok was also included in the squad for the first time since his arrival earlier this month. It was a superb team display at Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, as we handed Liverpool their first away defeat of the season across all competitions. The only downside was the early injury to Bentancur, who was carried off on a stretcher.